Y3, so last lesson you learnt a little bit about Roman numerals. So we're going to recap Roman numerals and I'm going to put them on the clock, okay, on our analogue clock. So, can you remember what number 1 was in Roman numerals? So number 1 is represented with I. So in Roman numerals, number 1 is an I. Number 2 is 2 I's together like that, look, okay? So I is number 2. Number 3 is I, okay? I. Now the rule with Roman numerals is that you can only have 3 of the same symbols together. You can't have any more than 3. So when we come to number 4, we can't have I and another I, because that would be 4 and you can only have 3. So if we do number 5 first, number 5 is a V. So 5 in Roman numerals is a V. And number 4 is IV. And that means 1 before 5. So if you did 5, take away 1, you get 4. Okay? For number 6, it's going to be VI. 5 add another 1 makes 6, okay? So if it comes before the V, it's taking away. If it comes after the V, you're adding. So number 6 is VI. Number 7 is V and then 2 I's. 5, 6, 7, VII. Number 8 is V and 3 I's. Number 9, it has to be different. It can't keep following this pattern because then it would break the rule. The rule is you can only have 3 in a row together, okay? So it can't be V and then 4 I's. So if we do the same like what we did for number 5, 5 is V, number 10 is X. X marks the spot. Okay, so 10 is X. So number 9 is 1 before 10. So 10, take away 1, which is 9, okay? Number 11 is going to be 1 more than 10. So it's going to be XI. And number 12, can you remember what that is, Y3? It's going to be XII. 10, 11, 12. Okay, so now we're going to practice telling the time on our analogue clock. And the only difference is, instead of normal numbers, we're going to be using Roman numeral numbers. Okay, let me get my hands. Where are they? I've lost my hands. Okay, here they are. Okay, so try not to get put off by the Roman numerals. You know where those numbers are on a clock, okay? You know that 12 is up at the top. So have a think, what is the time now, Y3? Think what hour this is, and it's an o'clock time. So it's something o'clock. What number goes here? Can you remember? It's the number 9. So it is 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Let's just stick to some o'clocks this lesson, okay? Until we get the hang of Roman numerals. Right, so let's have a think then. What is the time now? It's something o'clock. What number is this? VI, or you might just remember what number is at the bottom anyway. So VI is 6, so it's 6 o'clock. What about now? What's the time now, Y3? What number is this? I think this one's probably the easiest one, isn't it? So I is 1, so it's 1 o'clock, okay? What is the time now on our Roman numeral clock? What does this mean? I've got 3 I's in a row. What number is here? Can you remember? It's 3 o'clock. Okay, let's have another go. V. What is V? Can you remember? Let's have a sneaky look. It's 5, so it's 5 o'clock. Okay, let's have a go at some half past, shall we? So look very carefully where my hour hand is pointing. It's pointing in between X and then, oh, you can't see that real, can you? X and XI. So it's half past something because the big hand is pointing to VI, which is the 6. It's 10:30. 10:30. Let's have a go at another one. And this time, my hour hand is in between VII and VIII. So it's half past something, but half past what, Y3? Have a look. So it's 7:30. VII is 7, 7:30. Have a go at this one. Well done if you were thinking 9:30. 9:30. Last one then of the half past. What time is it now? Okay, it is 5:30. What number is this? Can you remember? 1 before 5. So it's 4:30. 4:30. Okay. Right, I'm going to shuffle all these up. So on your Google Classroom today, you've got to tell the time on a Roman numeral clock, and it will either be o'clock or 5:30, okay? We'll stick to those ones for now. Right, I'm going to show you, I'm going to hold up a Roman numeral, see if you can remember what the Roman numeral stands for, what number is it showing. Okay, ready? Put these on the table, one sec. Okay, let's start with this one. So VI, so if it's after the V, what's happening here? Can you remember? So VI that's a 5 and that's a 1. So it's 5 add 1. 5 add 1 is 6. Let's try another one. Okay, can you remember? X, what's X? Okay, well done if you remembered. X is number 10. Very good. Let's try this one. I. Okay, and the rule, remember the rule, you can only have 3 in a row. It's number 3, well done, because we've got 1, 1, 1. 1 add 1 add 1 makes 3. Let's have a go at this one. So it's I and then an X. Because it's before the X, it's X take away I. Think what the X is. So take away 1 from the X is 9. That's the number 9, okay? Let's have a go at this one. Okay, hopefully you're remembering what the V is now. So V is 5, and then you've got 3 1s in a row, 3 I's in a row. So 5 add 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, keep practicing your Roman numerals, Y3. Okay, let's have a go. What's this one here? Okay, it's II number 2. Super duper, let's have another go. So this time the I is after the V, so it's take away. It's 5 take away 1. 5 take away 1 is 4. What's this one? This one is number 1. Yeah, well done. We've talked about this one a lot today. Hopefully you remember. What's this one, Y3? V. is number 5. Okay, nearly finished now then. So we've got here, oh hang on, have I got that the right way around? Okay, so it's xi, so it's 1 more than 10. 1 more than 10 is 11. Okay, need to check which way around, this way around, look, okay. So xii, what number does this represent? Can you remember what this is? 10. And this means 2, so 10, 11, 12. And our last one, well, we know V is 5, so 5, 6, 7, okey doke. Have a go at your worksheet then, Y3. It's telling the time on an analogue clock, but instead of numbers you have got Roman numerals. Okay, I hope this video has helped. Have a go as best as you can, and I'll see you next time. Bye.